In terms of your score, you don't have to worry about the overall score. All you need to check is your communicative skill, these 4. As long as they're more than 79, you will be fine.
Okay.
Okay, because the overall score, because it's impacted by your performance with the enabling skill. So that is the reason.
So not like, for example, if it's an actual exam I'm giving, and then how that will work?
So in the actual exam, it won't show you this low. I would say it may show you 77 or 70. So when you do the mock test, do you use the headset with the microphone?
No, I use a normal headphone.
Okay, no headphone.
Yeah. Like normal one which we use it on our phones.
You need to work on the paragraph and fill the blank, this one.
Okay.
Okay, good. Let me see.
Ford made a U-turn, scrapping plans for a 1.6 billion factory in Mexico to build compact cars and diverting some of the investment to a plant near Detroit to produce electric vehicles. Ford stressed that this was a commercial decision. Donald Trump had criticized the proposed Mexican factory while campaigning on the theme of saving American jobs.
Okay, your oral fluency is quite slow. Okay.
What was that?
Oral fluency is quite slow.
Okay, so should I speak faster?
You need to speak a little bit faster, correct?
Okay.
Yep.
We have outfitted it with the space lab built by our European partners and used it before the era of the space station to do scientific research. We used it as part of our partnership with the Russians, which is still continuing, first as part of the Mir space station.
Right, now I know the way you read it, that's why your oral fluency is quite low, okay?
Okay.
You need to speak a little bit faster, and you need to make sure that you pause correctly. If you don't pause correctly, it's impact on your reading score.
Okay.
Okay, so when you say comma and full stop, you can pause. If the sentence is too long, then you need to find out where you have to pause. For example, I'm going to pause here.
Right.
Right, because of the end. So end, it tell me that this one, and then this is one. Okay.
Okay.
And is a conjunction. That's how they link the sentences together. Right. So that's will impact on your reading if you don't pause correctly.
Okay.
Why? Because when you read, computer don't understand the meaning properly. Your pronunciation is good. It's just oral fluency a little bit faster will be better.
Okay. Right.
And pause correctly, like I mentioned. Read in the way that you want the computer to understand what you say.
Okay.
To improve the essay, I decided to include more direct quotes.
Okay, good.
I thought the midterm exam was only worth half our course grade.
Okay, not bad.
Well, why it's 69 out of 90 then?
Which one?
This one, the course grade one, the last one.
Don't worry about this. What I need to see is this one.
Okay.
Okay. Because you don't use a microphone with like you don't use a proper headset with microphone. Like you use a normal one. Sometimes it can capture your pronunciation, sometimes it doesn't.
Okay.
Okay. In terms of fluency pronunciation, like I mentioned, your pronunciation is clear for me, so there's no problem with it. But what you say, is it correct or not? That's what I want to see in your
Okay.
Okay. Because repeat sentence, the most important is the content.
Okay.
Yep. So as long as computer understand what you say, you get good mark for your content. That's all.
Right.
You see this one, even though you do get good fluency pronunciation, but content is not really good.
Right.
Pollution in New Delhi has reached an alarming level.
I don't know why it wasn't captured right.
Don't worry about this one. This one is not bad.
The People with active lifestyles are less likely to die early or have major illnesses.
Good. Sometimes you take a long pause. It will impact on your fluency and pronunciation.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why. But whatever you say, if it's correct, that's what you get for your listening. But don't pause too long. If you pause too long, it may after 3 seconds, it may turn off the microphone.
Right. But if it's an actual exam, I should be all right in this one.
Yes, correct.
Okay.
But then don't pause too long. Okay. If you do pause, but don't pause too long.
Globalization problems need to find a globalized solution.
Okay, not bad.
Dr. Green's office has been moved to the second floor of the building.
Good.
This is how we deliver healthcare services to millions of people around the world.
Okay, good.
Students are not allowed to take the journals out of the library.
Okay, good.
The psychology department is looking for volunteers to be involved in departments.
Yeah. See, the last one, you pause too long. Okay.
Yep.
So in the exam, after 3 seconds, if you don't say anything, after 3 seconds of silence, and the microphone turn off automatically.
Okay.